from the aluminum forest. It's Kelly McClure with you, and it's raining today. It's a good day for a DIY project like this replacement pallet. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. The supplies we're going to use for this project are sheets of cardboard, sheets of styrofoam, box cutter, X-Acto knife, fat Sharpie, thin Sharpie, white glue, sponge brush, and a sturdy yardstick. For this simple project, we are going to go all out and do a heavy-duty replacement pallet. So 2 layers of cardboard, and I sourced single wall, and I'll tell you why when we get into the project, and 2 layers of styrofoam, and that will hold a very heavy tree. Now for your not so heavy trees, you could do double wall cardboard and single styrofoam, or even for a really light tree, like a little tabletop toma or something, you might get away with that. The size and spacing that you use will be up to your specific needs. There are a lot of styrofoam sheets in the insulation department of the big box stores, but the simplest choice that I found is an 8-pack of garage door insulation panels. The finished dimensions for our pallet are approximately 27 inches by 20 by 2.5. Cutting each panel in half gives us the size we're working with today. A 2 by 2 inch grid can be either single or double spaced. Conveniently, this single wall picture box already matches our styrofoam in length, and that's why I chose it. With 3 cuts, you will have 2 layers of cardboard and 1 folded side. Are y'all ready to make the pallet? Let's break out the glue and add music.